Today on our channel, we're repairing one of the worst rust problems you can find on a classic VW Beetle. But by the end of this video, the Beetle will have solid metal back where it belongs.
You're watching Fun with V-Dubs at Seward Speed Shop.
Our Beetle is like most. We have the cancer in the front wheel wells, both sides.
When you're buying patch panels, you get exactly what you pay for.
If one's $40 and one's $10.
Steer clear of that $10. Yeah.
What do you say our first step would be to determine just exactly how far that rust is going?
We need to figure out what we're going to remove and then go from there.
I think I'll
start dissecting
a pointy screwdriver. Start hacking away at it.
Just start beating on it?
Yeah.
Sounds like fun.
You know, there's holes here, but it's not.
It's kind of crazy. That's
going through.
It's like solid rust.
Now there is, right behind this is the heater channel, and that's rusted through too.
Yeah.
But number one, we're not going to have a heater. And by putting the panel on here, we can close that off as well.
Exactly.
Just one panel instead of putting a new inner heater channel in here.
Yep.
This is where the heater channel is spot welded to it.
So the question is, do we go above it?
Or to it.
Right. I think we basically use the spot welds as our...
Now here's a question for you. Since we're just going to do this spot, or we just need to do this spot, do we really want to tear up a nice repair panel? Or just...
Yeah, let's use it.
Okay.
Cut them up so they're gone and we can pitch them. Those are pretty poor quality.
Okay. We want to keep this lip at the bottom.
Yep.
Which is here.
Yep.
That'll be convenient. All right, you want to mark it first, or you're just going to cut?
I think we're just going to cut.
And then mark the panel.
Over here, you're starting to get into more panels. So I think we'll take your little danger. Do you still have the danger cutter? Super dull blade, I hope.
Oh yeah, super dull. Super dull. Well, there's like a 1/4 inch at the very tip that's still sharp. Just use that. Just use that.
Well, I'll use that part.
All right, well, there's a hole.
Well, I mean, we nailed that.
The heater channels up towards the front in our car are in really good shape.
Yeah.
Surprisingly good shape.
Yeah.
So we're only having to do this little window here. Are you going to take the lip off the bottom, or are you just going to leave that on for strength?
I'm going to leave the lip on.
Oh, you mean on this? I mean on there. Is that still on there?
Yeah.
The old lip, leave that on?
Leave it right on.
Might as well.
And then we'll just...
Because it's not rusty at all.
No.
And it'll add strength. And that's what we're all about.
That's what we're all about. Strength and safety. Strength and safety. Let's just
get a measuring tool.
Let's actually get a measuring tool. So 2.5 would cover. So let's go 2 3/4, huh?
Sure. Oh, look at that. It's backwards. You got the wrong side.
Oh my gosh, we're so screwed. I mean, I don't think we could have done it any better ourselves.
I am learning a lot. I've never done body work in my life because I always hated it because it looked very tedious.
It is tedious.
What do you think?
Shall we weld?
We shall weld.
Let's weld. Look at that.
Oh, that's nice.
Yeah, that's
That
actually,
looks very nice.
that's actually
Yeah,
good.
we can do something with that. All right, let's try the other side. I think the other side is going to be a little worse.
What?
Yeah, sorry.
You think so?
I think so. Seam sealer gone.
Now we have to decide what we're going to do here, Mark.
Do you want to do one all the way across, take into this, or do
And-
two separate ones?
If we can make that wrap the whole way, I think we'll do it.
Okay.
The only bad part here is that there's probably 3 or 4 panels that come together. So I say we do the dissect here. Kind of the same thing we did on the other side.
Yeah.
Cut that, cut across. I just don't know that I'm gonna make it all the way to here.
With the same panel?
I think we'll get there with the same panel, but I don't know how much I'll be able to cut out. Because see, this gets, so you've got the front heater channel, remember those?
Oh, yeah.
Yeah, so that's happening here. There's a lot that happens right there.
So are you saying you may just leave that, part of that there, and go over the top of it?
You know, I don't think that would be the worst idea. I say we just get stuff and start whacking it.
Let's start cutting?
Yeah.
All right.
Let's cut. Cut it! Shall we?
Shall.
I don't know if I went through there. Well, that's going to be impossible to go through.
Oh, that frickin' plate is right there.
Yes, sir. So, I'll tell you what, we'll work around that. Somebody put a monstrous 1/4-inch plate in there.
I know.
I don't know whose idea that was. Okay, let's do the 3 inches of this again, right?
Yep. You got everything you need on this
I
side?
don't need a
You need a marker? You got a marker? The red
So
on
we
red
did
again?
2
That worked well last
3/4. Yeah, let's do that again. That's red on red is perfect.
time. Well, yeah, you took it all out.
Yeah, that's,
We ain't messing. We ain't playing.
no, we quit.
We quit playing.
Quit playing. Made in Brazil.
Is it?
You know how you can tell?
No.
Smells like burning vegetables.
Where do you get that from?
Smells like burning vegetables.
Really?
Yeah, if you go on the grill and burn vegetables,
It smells just like
it smells
Brazilian
just like
steel.
Yes, yes. Ask anybody who cuts up metal. And that's how you can tell. Hey, we might actually, I don't know. We'll see.
Flip it or
So we
wrap
don't need any of this. Let's get rid of that. Trim from there. Okay, I mean, I say we cut this flush here. I mean, come on now, look at that.
that's gonna work.
It's like real nice. I mean, real nice. How far are we? Oh, we've got miles. Let's take some off of that so we're not getting all ridiculous.
All right.
Well, what are we going to do the rest of the day?
I know it. This is a short episode, isn't it?
Yes.
I suppose you want a welder too, huh?
I mean, we're kind of at that point. Hit me.
There you go, welder guy. What do you think?
Okay.
Oh, nice.
Okay. I think I'll hit this a little quick. Dude, I think it looks good.
Looks outstanding. All right, well, we have a little bit of patching inside that we didn't do because we wanted to do this first. Remember at the very end of the
I don't remember nothing.
heater channels? Yeah, now that we have the full roll cage in here, it's really easy to get in.
Yeah. It's not as easy as you thought it was going to be. Mark. Well, let's just try to get one tacked. Oh, you son of a monkey.
What, do I have to turn it on again?
Yeah.
Yeah, I have a lot of work to do grinding.
But lots of grinding.
A lot of grinding to do, pretty everything up, blast it, primer it, and then mudding, which will be fun. I've never done that before.
Oh, it's going to be a great time.
Is it?
It's going to be fun.
I think the mudding, applying the mud is going to be fun.
That's always fun.
But it's taking it back off.
Correct.
It's going to suck, and yeah, we'll.
That's where the fun ends.
We'll be doing that outside.
Yeah.
Now that it's nice weather.
Yeah, exactly.
Couple days.
Yeah.
And this body will be all done.
Oh, it'll be totally done.
Yeah. So.
Just like you see on TV.
Yeah, exactly. Yeah, you see the car shows on TV where they have 5 days to complete it, and it's done.
That's what we're going to do.
Nice new paint and everything.
Yeah.
It'll work out. So thank you very much for watching. If you appreciate the this kind of content, please consider subscribing to the channel, and we'll see you next time.
If you like this video, hit that like button. And we hope you consider subscribing to our channel. Thanks for watching.